We've often talked on this channel about the failings of schools when it comes to financial literacy, and it appears that something is finally being done about this in the state of Florida, and hopefully more states are going to be following suit. Welcome to the VIP Financial Education YouTube channel, where we help you go further, faster financially. I'm your host today, Michael Matthew. Now guys, Florida's been all over the news for another school-related bill. We've all seen that, heard that. We're not going to be discussing that piece of legislation in today's video, but we will be looking at the legislation that Florida Governor Ron DeSantis recently signed into law that requires high school students in the state take a financial literacy course in order to graduate. We think this is great news for youngsters, as financial literacy is something they'll use every single day for the rest of their lives as an adult. So what all does this bill entail? Well, the bill, titled the Dorothy L. Hukill Financial Literacy Act, requires students to take a half credit or single semester in personal financial literacy and money management. The course is required to cover basic skills such as how to manage a bank account, how to balance a checkbook, complete a loan application, and compute federal income taxes, among other things. The legislation also requires that the class teach high school students about local tax assessments, contesting incorrect billing statements, the basics of personal insurance policies, and simple contracts. This is great, again, in our opinion, and we'd love to see more states doing the same. So while we were researching this piece of legislation for the video, we were curious the current realities of financial literacy in high schools across the country, what they look like. And we found a study by a financial literacy nonprofit, Next Gen Personal Finance. And in this study, we found that nearly 7 out of 10 high school students in the U.S. had access to standalone personal finance classes in 2021, but only 1 in 5 were guaranteed to take such a course to graduate. This means that 10 other states have already made financial literacy a graduation requirement. Those states, if you're wondering, are going to be Alabama, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, North Carolina, Ohio, Rhode Island, Tennessee, Utah, and Virginia. And according to Next Gen's Director of Educational Outreach, Hukill Espinel, several other states are considering legislation requiring personal financial courses, including Michigan, Georgia, and South Carolina. Espinel was quoted as saying, "Florida ranks 3rd in the nation for K-12 achievement and is a leader in the education space. This financial literacy bill will have an absolute ripple effect on the other states, especially because it passed unanimously in both the Senate and the House, showing it does truly have a bipartisan matter to it. Everyone agrees that our students need and deserve 21st century relevant financial skills." We couldn't agree more with you. It's certainly nice to see more and more states making such an important graduation requirement, but we've still got most of the union to go before every child around the country learns financial literacy in school. Parents who are watching this video, have your kids learned financial literacy in their school? Did you find that the course was satisfactory, or did you find it was lacking? We'd be interested to know how these courses go for high schoolers, so please let us know by leaving a comment below. So overall, what do you think of this bill? Do you think that they're doing enough here, or should they be doing more? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and also be sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Also, for any of you who are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and ding that bell in order to receive notifications when we upload new videos. We've got several coming every single week, so stay tuned. Until we see you on our next video, make it a great day and take care.